What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefit Central. I'm Benjamin, and today, Bitcoin and the S&P charts. But before I get right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Everybody, Bitcoin did open up bullish yesterday, and correlating with the S&P from today, they opened up bullish as well. As you can see on our 4-hour right now, we have a cross. We finally did cross over our indicators, our MMAs. And leading towards our 21,500 level that I just recently updated. I did retweak the charts a bit, so if it looks a bit different, this is something I need to be further bullish on Bitcoin. A close and a break above this would show that the markets are ready to push further. However, we do have our 200 approaching, so we could easily get rejected off of that temporarily, as well as we are becoming overbought. So looking at the daily real quick, we had our RBI that formed and is almost completed. I would say it would be complete. If so, not right now, it would be around 21,500 that it completed. We have 4 or 5 more hours until 5 and 6, which is the change time in the markets between the time zones, or at least one of the time zones. But looking at the charts, we did see a double bottom form around here. Some people are calling it right here. We could see it right here, and I'll show you guys why in the S&P, why I'm saying it's here. But we did try to get back down here, didn't make it, showing bullish momentum, a lower high. And then now reaching 21,500. Again, breaking and closing above this would create more bullish momentum forward. Although we are still in this descending channel, eventually we could consolidate a bit out. If we break out here, then great. But if not, then expect consolidation out until we're here, and that would create more bullish momentum as well. Breaking 17,500, like we said in our last video, will lead us to 12,500. We would just have to see how we react to these levels. But looking in on the S&P 500, on the daily, you'll see that we've had our bullish momentum as well, like previously stated about Bitcoin. This leading Bitcoin, however, I would like to see a bit more momentum. If anything, if we can break and close above 39.4750, this red line right here, that would probably push Bitcoin above its levels as well. Around its 200 indicator, this one is up here, so we could probably run into our blue right here, which would make Bitcoin run into its 200 indicator. However, rejection off of here. If we do meet 36, 37 again, hopefully we do just bounce right off of it, creating a bigger W. However, if we do come here, we close or break below, we should see 32.24, like we said in our last video about the S&P 500. But looking in on the 4-hour, I'll show you guys why. This double bottom right here has led bullish momentum ever since. Honestly, if you could have got in right here, you haven't touched 36, 37 again. It's been lower highs ever since. We have another W forming around 37.54, and then more momentum again supporting at 37.54.90, and then pushing now to our 200 indicator on the hour 4. So we could get rejected here. If we have enough bullish momentum after this cross, we could, after the completion of the cross, we could see more bullish momentum breaking 39.4750. However, we are approaching overbought, so we could see a little bit of rejection, if anything, or some consolidation before a further movement. But otherwise, guys, that was really it for today's video. Realistically, I'm just waiting for the S&P to close for today, see where we close, and as well as for Bitcoin. I'm just trying to see where we close for today after our bullish momentum forward. We did receive a big enough pump to indicate a bit of movement out of our symmetrical triangle here. However, we do need to see how we close and how we close, as well as break. But if we do get to break above 21,500, but where we close. If we close below 21,500, I would say expect some resistance. We'll probably come in contact with our 200 indicator right there, our green line, on the hour 4. For further movements, our daily is looking okay. Our weekly, we could get a bull 180 if we end up swallowing this whole candle. Pause. But if we can get past this and close above this, we would be in contact with our 200 weekly indicator, and we could see some resistance. However, if we have enough bullish momentum, we could push past this, and that would be great. We'd be above our 200 again on our weekly, which I believe we've never closed. Whoops, sorry about that. Which I believe we've never closed below. That one kind of looks like we have. I believe this was the first time that we closed below it completely, and it scared a lot of people in the market. Looking in on the monthly, we did close below our blue. I would be, depending on how this month closes, I would be a little nervous for next month, just because there could be a possible GBI right here that will push us down. So it'd be red, blue, red. We could see that at least to levels of 12,500. I don't know. I doubt it'd be that strong. But other than that, everybody, that was another market update video. If you could, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.